Cracking your knuckles has long been rumored to lead to arthritis, but let's set the record straight. Studies show that there's no direct link between the two. The sound you hear? That's just gas bubbles in the joint fluid popping. It's harmless. In fact, some people find it oddly satisfying. However, if you're cracking your knuckles constantly and feeling pain, that's a different story. It might be a sign of an underlying issue. So, go ahead and crack away, but listen to your body. It's always the best guide.